Hey teachers, for those of you who use Canvas, I'm going to show you how GradeTransferer can make your lives a whole lot easier by allowing you to quickly grab grades from Canvas or fill grades into your Canvas gradebook. This allows you to transfer student data between Canvas and any of our other supported platforms. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is navigate to your Canvas gradebook, and in your Canvas gradebook, you can grab student grades by clicking into the first cell of the assignment column that you want to capture, and then open up GradeTransferer and click the big green Grab Data button. And all of your students' data will automatically be retrieved, and you'll get a pop-up summary showing you the names and grades that were grabbed, separated by commas. So this is a helpful place to take a look and to make sure that what you expected to be grabbed was. And then you can take this information and fill it into any of our supported platforms for filling. And as I mentioned, Canvas is one of those supported platforms. So let me show you how to fill in Canvas. It's pretty similar. You just take a look for the assignment column where you want to fill your student grades and click into the first cell of that column. Open up GradeTransferer and click the Fill Data button, right? Because you will have grabbed scores already from wherever you want to grab your scores. You're going to get a notification confirming the name of the assignment where you're going to fill your scores. And that is because Canvas is going to save these scores automatically. So just make sure you're putting them where you want them. If that looks good, okay. And now in just a matter of seconds, all of your students' names and grades are going to be automatically sorted and matched and filled. And you will again get a summary of the student data that was transferred. And that's it. That's how easy it is to grab and fill in Canvas. If this video helped you, share it with a fellow teacher so they can save time and avoid typos too. That's all for now. Happy transferring.